Hey guys. All right, so this is our week 7 assignment, and we're going to do a book draft, kind of like you would with NFL draft. But we're going to look at the list of novels for the 8th grade summer reading list. Okay, so step 1, you're going to visit the website linked on slide 5, read about the books. Step 2, choose a book from each genre. Okay, so we're going to pick 5 books, so 4 different genres, and then one final top pick that you want to read over the summer, the one that you want to be your summer reading novel. And then we'll drag and drop on slide 6 and fill out slide 7. Okay, so that's what I just explained. So right here, this is slide 5. These are all the different novels. If you click right here, this will take you to a Google site where you can read about all the different books. Okay, this is the site that you're going to have to go to get some background information about the books. If you want to do some extra research, like maybe look up your own, YouTube trailer for them, or read reviews on, Kindle, however you want to get more information on those books, you can. But this page right here has trailers and explanations. So then on slide 6, you're going to actually drag, and drop your picks. And so the way that we're going to grade this, obviously, if you put, Faceless right here as science fiction, okay, that's not a science fiction novel. I need to see that you have actually put, it has to match up with the genre that you put it in. Like Between Shades of Grey, that is a historical fiction novel, and I'll know that you know that if you watch the trailers and put it in the right category. So you don't have to read all 5 of these. Your top pick is going to be the one that you're choosing to read over the summer. But the selection, I love this one. This one would be a fantasy novel. Okay. So pick one from each genre, but your top pick is the one that you are choosing to read over summer. I just messed all those up. Oops. Okay. Slide 7 is where you are going to talk about your top pick, the book that you chose, okay? Title, author, why you chose it. Make sure you're using your 7th grade writing skills, not your kindergarten writing skills. And then tell me how you're going to access the book. So if you want to do it digitally online through NISD, you can go down to slide 9, and there's actually a video here that tells you how to access the books online. So you don't have to go buy it. You can get it online if you want. So if you plan on doing that, just type that right here. So, all right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you have fun looking at this book list. These are actually some of my favorite books. The Selection is one that I love. I love it. Seriously, one of my top 5 favorite books. Caraval, I'm reading right now. Ruta Sepetys is an author. I haven't read Between Shades of Grey, but I have read another novel of hers called Salt to the Sea. Ghost Boys is an amazing book. So there's some great books on this list. I'm super excited for you guys to pick from these. All right, I'll see you guys on Zoom on Monday.